Acharya D. Vaimardikar. Let D. Vaimardikar was born in the year 1998 at Rajgarh, now in state of Chhattisgarh, India. He had been awarded BA degree by Allahabad University in 1922. He had served then Nagpur Municipality, now Nagpur Municipal Corporation, up to 1953. Being an authority in English language and literature, he had dedicated his retired life for the student by establishing Madhukar coaching classes for teaching English. He left for Heavenly Above on 22nd May 1979. Let D.Y. Mardikar's spiritual life had started in 1948 when he came in contact with late Dr. P.H. Sant Bilaspur, the third Sanchalak of Adhyatma Vigyan Shala, Omkar Mandata, Madhya Pradesh, established by Bhagwan Mayananda Chaitanya. He authored many spiritual books, namely भगवान मायानंद चैतन्य जी का जीवन चरित्र हिंदी, डिवाइन विजन इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिव्य दृष्टि, गीत चंद्रिका, गीत मधु एक्सेट्रा. सर्वांग योग चैप्टर 1. सर्वांग योग चैप्टर 1. मोक्षेच्छा दर्शन योग. My loving homage to the feet of Lord Preceptor. May thy love be steady, thy favor divine with this solemn courtesy. A truth seeker says, I read many a Shruti, Smriti, Shastra, Puranas, and practiced for peace the precepts therein. Still there is no steady peace to my mind. Please show me the surest way to get it. What does Tattvam Asi in Shrutis signify? How is perceived? How its spectator is? I wish to be enlightened on this mystery. Sir, please guide me truly. Comments. The self-enlightened one who imparts true understanding of the ultimate reality, God, directly by perfectly demonstrative and natural scientific process, as opposed to mere oral prospects of other preceptors who are not self-enlightened. There is the writings of philosophers and sagas in ancient India who have tried to express as best as words can express their own understanding about ultimate reality and have given various precepts for being practiced. Of these writings, Shrutis are supposed to be nearest to Vedas, which originate from direct experience. Third, this is one of the 4 famous sayings, Mahavakya, which progressively aim to express to understanding of ultimate reality. The other sayings are Aham Brahmasmi, Ayamatma Brahma, and Sarvam Khalu Idam Brahma. These may be expressed in English as one, that thou art, I am Brahma, द आत्मा सोल इज ब्रह्मा एंड ऑल दिस इज रियली ब्रह्मा। इस प्रकार हमने सर्वांग योग के पहले अध्याय मोक्षेच्छा दर्शन योग को अंग्रेजी में जाना। आइए क्रमशः हम सर्वांग योग को अंग्रेजी भाषा में श्री D.Y. मार्डिकर द्वारा अनुवादित समझेंगे और जानेंगे। धन्यवाद।